With the official announcement of the iPhone 16, all eyes are now shifting towards Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We've got some juicy leaks to discuss today, courtesy of the well-known leaker Ice Universe, who has provided us with renders that directly compare the S25 Ultra to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. So let's dive into all the exciting details. First up, let's talk design. According to the leaked renders, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to embrace a return to rounded corners. However, they're not as pronounced as the rounded edges that we see on the new iPhones. Personally, I have to admit, I'm a bit disappointed. For the past few years, I've loved Samsung's iconic rectangular design. That doesn't mean the S25 Ultra looks bad. In fact, it looks quite sleek and modern. What's really interesting in this comparison is how the S25 Ultra has removed the thick and heavy metal middle frame that we've seen on previous models. This design change not only gives the phone a thinner and lighter appearance, but actually makes it lighter as well. The omission of that metal frame makes a huge difference in how the phone feels and looks in your hand, which is a clever move by Samsung. Check out this direct contrast between the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. The latest renders showcase how the S25 Ultra appears not only smaller, but potentially lighter too. This is a significant change, and although we can't say for sure how much the weight will differ until the official specifications are released, it's clear that Samsung is pushing for a more refined and comfortable user experience. Now, it's worth noting that while the S25 Ultra might have a more streamlined design, it may still be the same size or slightly larger than the S24. However, because of the sleeker design and sharper corners, it gives the illusion of being more compact. This is a smart strategy from Samsung to modernize their flagship while keeping the overall heft manageable. What really bolsters the credibility of these leaked renders is the fact that similar leaks have come from other reliable sources recently, all showing a phone with these round edges. The consensus is building around the idea that we're seeing a design evolution here rather than a complete overhaul. Moving on from the design, let's talk performance. With every new flagship smartphone, we can typically expect a bump in performance, and the S25 Ultra seems no different. It's reasonable to expect that Samsung will equip this model with a faster processor, continuing their tradition of enhancements for annual upgrades. We've already seen some leaks hinting at improved processor capabilities that should help in everything from game loading times to multitasking efficiency. Camera improvements are also on the rumor mill. While we're not expecting a total revamp of the camera system, there are whispers that the S25 Ultra could feature some significant upgrades in camera technology. However, keep in mind that these might be minor enhancements rather than a complete overhaul. The bigger selling point seems to be the integration of Galaxy A, which will mirror the emphasis on intelligence that we see with the iPhone 16's Apple Intelligence feature. So, what do you think about these leaks? Are you excited about the prospect of the S25 Ultra, or do you share my sentiments about the design changes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in tech news, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.